We have a new feature here down here under miscellaneous. I'm in step 6 called keep bracket height. What this is just to basically save you time. I have it deactivated so it's not on here, so I can kind of show you what happens. So for example, I've got this upper right central selected here, and let's say I want to change the torque. Maybe I want to tuck that in a little bit more. You'll notice that when I change that torque, we've now lost the height. It didn't maintain the 4.5, so that means now you got to do more adjusting to bring that back down to where it was. Now let me undo all that real quick and get it back to where it was, and then I can show you how this tool works. So if I turn that on, keep bracket height. In fact, this I can illustrate this better under side by side. So let's switch over to here, and then let's kind of zoom in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the torque again, but you'll notice over here on the pre-treatment, to maintain that height, the bracket actually slowly moves up a little bit. So let's come back in here. I'm going to change the torque. And so you can see the result here and predicted the tooth's coming in. But you'll also notice here, see how that bracket's coming up? So it's just to save you some time so you don't have to, if you do any sort of simulation of a third order bend, you don't have to do as much clicking. You can maintain that height when this option is turned on. So that is keep bracket height.